Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Windows 11 updated and a Windows Hello compatible IR camera connected. This matters because face recognition needs secure hardware. Next, open Settings and go to Accounts, then Sign-in Options. Do this now. Once in Sign-in Options, locate Windows Hello Face and click Setup. You need to be on battery or plugged in and make sure camera drivers are current. If BIOS requires it, enable TPM and Secure Boot so the system can store biometric keys. You'll proceed with the actual face scan. Windows will guide you through multiple head positions so it captures varied angles. Make sure lighting is even, avoid strong backlight, because image noise reduces recognition reliability. During setup, grant camera access in privacy settings, otherwise the setup will fail. Once you see the progress circle, slowly turn your head left and right. That trains the model on different profiles. If prompts mention improving recognition, repeat the additional scan to increase robustness. You finish by adding a PIN fallback and testing sign-in immediately at the lock screen. The PIN is required for biometric recovery, so do not skip it. Once done, sign out and try unlocking under varied lighting to confirm consistency. If recognition fails, first update or reinstall the camera driver and check USB or internal camera connection. Then re-enroll your face with better lighting and remove glasses or hats if needed. One key troubleshooting tip: re-enroll rather than force settings. Re-enrollment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.